Magician.
Tissue become peso. You have other tricks?
Okay.
You have other magic?
Okay, I have a card. Wait for me.
Parang si Julia pala to. Oo, si Julia. Oh.
What's that?
I have a prediction in here.
Yeah, prediction?
And joy.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. I have prediction here, and I've made this prediction since 1920.
1920.
Same prediction.
Prediction, ha? Prediction.
Mahuhula din pala to.
You just choose one card.
One. Just one.
Pili ka na isang
I'll get
mga...
a point only. Get. Okay.
This? Are you
This
sure?
one, yes.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yes.
And then,
Oh, what
Show?
will I do?
show?
And
Okay. Okay.
show to audience, I don't see.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, kita nyo, ha?
Oh, alam nyo na.
Finish?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Finish?
Yan na, oh.
Finish?
Queen of Spades, ha? Huwag niyo sasabihin.
Okay.
Finish.
Yes.
Okay. So, is that your prediction?
Yes, if my prediction is right, call me the greatest magician on earth and hire me for Itbulaga, Philippines for 33 years.
Okay.
We'll do that.
Agree?
Okay.
But what if your prediction is wrong?
You can throw anything to the stage and I'll give audience 1,000 each.
Oh!
Yes.
Promise yan, ha? Okay.
Pag mali siya,
Yes.
tigwa 1,000 kayo.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, I will open my prediction. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Show the audience.
Together?
Yes,
Same
together.
time? Okay.
Show the
Okay.
cards.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! What happened?
You'll be rich, audience. You'll be rich.
Talo pala to.
Teka.
Dito na tayo yayaman, double cards.
Dito rin.
Sorry.
Madami pa talaga. Madami kayo dalang pera ito.
Yan ang nangyari. May sumabit.
Wait a minute.
I told you to cheat. Yeah. Why? Why there is another card?
I changed all the cards.
Ano to, ha? May kabalasa, ha? May palasador ka pa, ha?
Magkakonsyaba itong dalawa,
May
eh.
palasador ka pa, ha? Ano ba yan?
Teka.
Silipin ko.
Di ba nga?
You can see, I cheated before it.
Oh,
I put the same numbers
where did this come
on
from?
these cards.
It's all
Pero,
fall apart.
pero ito lang ang nabunot ko. Bakit? Matindi rin yun.
So, Rian. I have your plane ticket. No, you cannot go back to Indonesia. Change the card.
Please help me.
Oh, how can I help you?
My plane ticket is on my boss. I begging you to change your card, please.
I will change.
Change.
Okay,
I'll give you 1 peso and change your card.
One more?
So, I will keep this here.
Yeah.
Or I'll put it back.
No,
Just
leave
put it back.
Here,
Put
okay.
it back.
Leave it in. Oh.
Okay.
Choose another one.
My master told me that if my power fails or gone, two beautiful girls can kiss me and I can have it back my power.
Beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl.
Ruby.
Ruby, ikaw. Julia, ikaw.
This your
Magician
idea
ka.
of a beautiful girl.
Magician.
Okay, just kiss me.
Wait. Oh, yeah. You know, we have a saying here in the Philippines, okay?
Yes.
Ang kay Pedro, ha?
What a meaning of? What
Just
a meaning
telling you.
of? Help
Just
us.
telling you. Go ahead. Sorry to interrupt. I'm just warning you.
Okay.
The one on the right is okay.
Okay. You can check this.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
Four.
Oh,
ito yung
four of
marami
hearts.
kanina eh.
Yeah,
Four of
still.
hearts.
Oh.
Same only.
Same.
Pag ito...
Pag hindi bumalik
Kiss one more time.
This one naman. This one.
Alan Kay, you should kiss him. You should
Oh,
kiss
Alan
him.
Kay. The most beautiful girl.
Substitution. Substitution.
The other one is taken. Me, I'm taken for granted.
Okay.
Okay, kiss.
Yes.
Alan, parang...
Closer.
What happened? What happened?
Now it's the same. Okay, okay.
No more 1,000.